In this video, we will show you how to clear formatting in Microsoft Word. If you want to copy or paste the article or paragraph from the internet, for example, let's open Wikipedia and you paste into the Microsoft Word, then you annoying with the text looks like, you can using clear formatting features. How to do that? Okay, just copy the text. Let's just copy this text and let's open Microsoft Word, and using blank document we can paste the text here. For example, here you can see the color is random and there is also have a link. Okay, sometimes if you copy with Ctrl+C, let's see, okay, the different. If we using Ctrl+C, you can see the text also have a link, and you can normalize all of this text by using Ctrl+A button on your keyboard, and then you can press Ctrl+space. You can see here, do in the same time. Okay, I will Ctrl+C to undo. You can block your text, for example, then you can Ctrl+space button on your keyboard like this. Okay, it is also the same. You can do this with blocking your text and press Ctrl+space. Okay, let's undo again. Actually, in Microsoft Word there is also feature in menu that similar into the clear formatting. Okay, this is the icon. Okay, when you click this, you can see the font is auto reset into the normal, but you can see the color and the link still appear in the paragraph. So the easiest way is using just Ctrl+space. Okay, you can see there. And also in the heading there is also similar menu when you click clear formatting like this, but you can see the text still have the color and the link. So the best way in here, you can just block. If you want all of the paragraph is Ctrl+A and then Ctrl+space like that. And that's all tutorial how to clear formatting in Microsoft Word. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.